I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English hard words. First, let's tackle those intimidating words by breaking them down. Look for prefixes, suffixes, and root words to understand their components. This method often reveals the core meaning, making the word less daunting. Next, pay close attention to the surrounding text. The context usually provides strong hints about a word's definition, even if you've never seen it before. To truly master challenging vocabulary, active learning is key. Flashcards are incredibly effective. Write the word on one side and its definition plus an example sentence on the other. Implement a spaced repetition system, like a digital app, to review words at increasing intervals. This technique significantly boosts long-term memory. Also, maintaining a vocabulary journal helps you actively engage with new words, noting their nuances and usage. Consistent practice is crucial for solidifying your understanding. Make an effort to use new words in your everyday conversations. This active application helps move them from passive recognition to active recall. Additionally, immerse yourself in a variety of reading materials, from novels to articles, to see these words in different contexts. Finally, regularly write sentences or short paragraphs incorporating your new vocabulary. This reinforces meaning and usage. For ongoing improvement, always keep a good dictionary handy for precise definitions and pronunciations. Engaging with native English speakers through conversation or media exposes you to natural usage and idiomatic expressions. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity when learning. And hey, while you're boosting your brain power, why not make your life a little easier? Check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.